I wanted to show you our mini turnabouts. We heard from many people that they only had a mini Misty, so we created mini turnabout stamps and now a mini turnabout jig, which I have in here, that will work in your mini. Now, these minis also work in your original Misty if all you have is an original, but we wanted to also make some minis for people that only owned the mini Misty. Okay, so you line it up basically the same way. You've got your stamp, you've got your alignment aid, your mini jig that you put in there. The only difference really is that you use a smaller piece of paper, smaller piece of cardstock, and you can just put that right there in the middle. Then you would take your alignment aid and your stamp and again line it up with the X on your jig there. So it's basically the same idea, you're just using it in a smaller version. So here are some projects with our Bitty Burst, which this is a mini one. This one's really cute. We've just done the design off to the side there. And here is another project. We've got the Bitty Burst and then the thank you cut out. And here's another one that's multicolored. These are just really fun, super cute.